Hello everyone, today we are going to install Python on Windows operating system. So first of all, we are going to install Python separately on your laptop or computer. Now let's go to the browser and type python.org. So go to the download section and download the latest release of Python. Python has downloaded, kindly click here. So before installing the Python, you need to tick this checkbox. Add python.exe to path. I have already downloaded Python on my laptop, so I am going to cancel. So after installing Python, you need to check whether the Python has installed on your laptop or computer. Just go to the command prompt, type here Python space -- version. So I have already installed 3.9.7 version. Okay. Now there are many IDEs for Python, but I want you to install PyCharm because it is really a user-friendly for the beginners. So how do you download the PyCharm? Go to the browser and type JetBrains. So this screen will pop up. You need not to install this PyCharm Professional. You are going to download the community version that is free of cost and it is an open source. So kindly click here and download PyCharm. So IDE is Integrated Development Environment, which helps the developer to write the code in an efficient manner. You are able to see the output on the same screen and you are able to edit the code. So it is really useful. So kindly download before writing any code. So thank you everyone.